Here are hundreds of the best skateboard brands out there, but in some situations, it is very difficult to choose the best skateboard in the market. Does not matter whether you are a beginner or a professional, you should be choosing the best skateboards. Otherwise, it can impact your skating skills. The feeling of skateboarding under their feet is loved by kids, teenagers, and even adults. It's enjoyable to get the notion that you can ride in the air and roll in baths. If you are looking for the best skateboards in the market and thinking like a beginner, you want to know what skateboard brand's best for you. Don't worry. In this article, we will review the best skateboard brands. Shopping with Promarkit Us. Let's start with our top picks. Number 3. Pwigs Pretty&Popular Pro Complete Skateboards. If you're looking for a skateboard suitable for all levels, Pwigs Pretty&Popular Pro Complete Skateboard is the perfect choice for you. With a length of 31 inches, a width of 8 inches, and a maximum load capacity of 330 pounds, this board is perfect for both adults and kids. Its double-kick symmetric concave design allows for easier braking and provides more energy from your heels to toes. The board comes with a BEC 11 precision bearings and 95A high-rebound PU bushings that provide a smooth ride on any surface. Additionally, the skateboard arrives assembled and ready to ride straight out of the box, making it an ideal option for beginners. Number 2. Capark Skateboards for Beginners. Experience a smooth ride with Capark Skateboards for Beginners, Adults, Youths, Teens, Kids, Girls, Boys 31-inch Pro Complete Skateboards. With super smooth 50mm anti-shock PU wheels and ABEC 7 precision bearings, you can ride on any surface with ease. The double-kick symmetric concave design provides better control and braking, while the waterproof emery non-slip grip tape ensures a safe riding experience. This skateboard is made of high-quality thick aluminum trucks and steel axle, allowing for faster speed and a higher weight capacity. The creative and eye-catching graphics are printed with heat transfer printing, ensuring durability and longevity. This complete skateboard comes fully assembled and ready to ride, with a weight of only 4.7 pounds for easy control and portability. Number 1. CCS Skateboard Complete. The CCS Logo Skateboard Complete is a professional-grade skateboard that comes fully assembled with high-quality components. The deck is made of Canadian maple wood and is 7-ply, giving it the right mix of flex and stiffness. It features 52mm wheels with a 100 odometer, 139mm trucks, ABEC 7 bearings, and black hardware. The classic symmetrical shape makes it great for cruising and tricks. You can choose the width of the deck, and all decks are 32 inches in length.